Morning, student. Today I discuss computer software, chapter number 3 for class 5. This chapter is related to topic operating system software and application software. Today I discuss computer computer software class 5 chapter 3 and video part 3. Today I discuss this related to chapter, the topic operating system software and application software. First of all, I discuss operating system software. Every student write down notes. Operating system software. What is the operating system software? Operating system software is a system software that manage computer hardware, software resources and provides common services for computer programs. Thus, write down operating system software operating system software is a system software that manage computer hardware, software, and provides common services for computer programs. Operating system software, this is the system software that manage to first computer hardware, second software, and third provide the common services. Which type of common services? We are related to the memory management, we are related to the file management. Every such type of the common services are related in the operating system software. And operating system software its software that communicates with the software that communicate with the software and that communicate the hardware allow other programs to run. I again repeat, operating system software is a software that communicate with the software and that communicate the hardware allow other program to run. Some of the common operating system are Windows 7, 8, 10, Unix, etc. This is the operating system software. Second topic, what is the function of the operating system? Function of operating system. This is the diagram of function of operating system. This is the memory management. Second, file management. Third, device management. Fourth, process management. Fifth, networking. Sixth, security. This is the function of diagram, the function of the operating system. There are the three main functions of the operating system. First, there are three main functions of operating system software. First, operating system manage to computer resources. The manage to computer resources such as CPU, full form Central Processing Unit, memory, etc. Second, the manage to the computer resources, this CPU, memory, printer, etc. Establish a user interface and the last, execute and provide service for application software. This is the operating system software. Today I discuss operating system software. The all over part of to my first function. Every operating system manage to the computer resources. Second function, establish a user interface, and the third, execute and provide service for application software. This function diagram: function, memory management, file management, device management, security, networking, and the process management. The every student write down to the notes and please ask to the question any doubt. My WhatsApp number 7488414140. Every time, every minute, every second, who ask to the anywhere, anytime, ask to the question. Thank you so much.